Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's ProClean Dryer and Duct Cleaning Kit using the lint trap brush. First, remove the lint trap from the dryer and clean off the lint. Holding the lint trap vent brush by the handle, insert the brush down into the lint trap vent until you reach the bottom. Then, use a left to right and up and down motion, occasionally twisting the handle of the brush the way you would a screwdriver to capture the lint and debris. This long, narrow brush is ideal for cleaning under and around appliances, and great for periodically removing dust which accumulates on your refrigerator coil and coil grill. Using the vacuum hose attachment. First, clean the lint trap vent using the lint trap vent brush, then simply attach the vacuum hose attachment to your vacuum the way you would with any other vacuum attachment and insert it down into the lint trap vent to clean. If you experience decreased suction during cleaning, check to make sure that no debris is lodged in the opening of the vacuum hose attachment. Using the dryer vent duct brush. Following your dryer's instruction guide, detach the dryer duct from the dryer. Insert the dryer vent duct brush into the duct. Next, push the brush forward and backwards, occasionally spinning it to loosen the trap lint and debris with the brush head. Remove the dryer vent duct brush from the duct and dispose of the lint and debris. When you are done cleaning the dryer vent duct, follow your dryer's instruction guide to reattach the dryer vent duct back to the dryer. Now that you've used your ProClean Dryer and Duct Cleaning Kit, we suggest you follow these steps every couple of months to ensure your dryer runs optimally and to reduce the risk of dryer fire caused by excessive lint buildup. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.